Are you craving something warm, delicious and healthy? Welcome to the channel. If you're looking for a quick vegan dinner that doesn't require completed ingredients, then this homemade vegan pasta in tomato sauce is the perfect choice for you. First, let's prepare a flax egg. In a small bowl, I mix ground flaxseed with water and let it sit for about 10 minutes until it forms a thick, gel-like mixture that will help bind our pasta dough together. Meanwhile, I start working on the sauce. I heat coconut oil in a pan and add finely chopped onion. Once it becomes soft and fragrant, I add the garlic. Then I add chopped tomatoes, peas and my favorites herbs and spices, which release incredible aromas. Now it's time for a homemade pasta. In larger bowl I add flour, the prepared flax egg, a little salt and some water. I mix everything well and knead it into a firm dough. Once I have a smooth dough, I let it rest for a few minutes so the ingredients can fully come together. In the meantime, I continue with the sauce. I add flour to thicken it slightly, then pour in the tomato sauce and, if needed, a little water. I let everything simmer gently so the flavors can develop. While the sauce is bubbling away, I boil salted water for the pasta. Instead of rolling out the dough, I simply cut small pieces directly into the boiling water using scissors. The pieces turn out similar to gnocchi. This is one of the easiest ways to make homemade pasta. Once the pieces float to the surface, they're cooked. I remove the cooked pasta from the water and transfer it to another bowl until all the pieces are ready. And now for the best part. I add the cooked pasta directly into the rich tomato sauce. You can already see how the sauce coats every piece perfectly. The colors are vibrant and the aroma is even better. I cook everything together for a few more minutes so the flavors can fully combine. To finish, I sprinkle a little fresh parsley on top. And that's it, a simple homemade vegan pasta in a flavorful tomato sauce. Quick to make, packed with flavor and perfect for lunch or dinner. If you tried this recipe, let me know in the comments how it turned out. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple and delicious vegan recipes. See you soon!